so grateful for these wonderful people. We call them our angels.
Then I was in Fort Lewis. I had 3 years in it, and most of it was in combat. And the best rifleman that they got. And so that's what I was. I wasn't fearful.
Look around in the house, you can't help but think about the wonderful people that came in and helped you.
On that day, first thing in the morning, I think I had about 10 people show up. More filtered in towards the end of the day. We get set up in the morning. We came in and completely painted the interior of the house and got it all cleaned up and everything. And then they came back after that and started laying floors.
Beyond our belief, wildest dreams, did we ever think something like this would ever come into our life.
It is. It's just like a new house.
They are awesome. We will never ever forget them. Never.
And they've done a good job.
We still wouldn't have any of this stuff done if it wasn't for them, because we just couldn't afford to do it. I don't think there's any words that can describe what they've done and how it's changed here in our lives.
Hey, Linda, take the gum out of your mouth. Sorry. I know.
I feel like I'm in school.
I know.
You'd have to share with everybody.